Okay, today is day 4. We are gonna work on our corn maze. So you should have a board that looks similar to this. You should have a bag full of goodies. You're gonna need your glue.
All right.
You're not gonna need your glue for all of it, just a part. Okay, so make sure you are paying attention and only gluing what you are supposed to glue. Okay, empty your bag, sort it out. Okay, we have some of these. And then we have a bunch of shapes. Looks like rectangles, little semicircles. Okay. What we are going to do is we are going to take our cubes and we are going to put it to the back of these. Do not glue anything with these. All right. Best way to do it, put glue, all over.
Nice big clump of glue there.
Yeah. And then place it right at the edge so that it can stand up. Because you know, I like 3-dimensional. All right. So our corn stalks are up. Have you ever gone through a corn maze?
I have, yes. And for older kids, I went through a haunted corn maze, which is awesome. Miss Chrissy's shaking her head like, no way. Shout out to King's Dominion and their haunt. It is awesome. It is scary. It is tons of fun. But I've done a regular corn maze too. But yes, they are both tons of fun.
All right. There you go. And then for your maze, your corn maze, you're going to have to put one on each side.
Yep. You wouldn't do a haunted corn maze, Miss Chrissy?
No, ma'am.
Oh, I mean, you should have seen her face. She was like, no.
Nope. I like the G-rated.
That's right. There we go.
All right. So, what are we going to do? We're going to put our glue away.
Yes. Step
And
one.
then we are going to make our own corn maze. So this is our scarecrow that's going to go through. This is going to be our start, or you can make your start wherever. And then you're going to have a couple little corn stalks that you can put throughout your maze. First thing you want to do is use your pieces to make a maze. How do I do that with these? Like, it doesn't make sense, right? Well, start somewhere. Doesn't matter where.
Yep.
Start at the edge. Lay it down. And then you can use either the semicircles or you can use another one of the rectangles and just lay them on top. That's it.
And that kind of becomes the path for the corn maze, right?
Yep, you're gonna make a path. So you don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just kind of playing around.
And you may not use every piece too, and that's okay too. Whatever you guys want to do with your designs and your path is totally fine.
All right, so I think I'll start off with that. And I'll put my little corn mazes on.
There we go.
And then I'm gonna take my little scarecrow.
Oh no!
Hey, let me through.
There we go.
I'm gonna see if I can follow my own path to get out.
I made it.
Okay.
Perfect.
So once you try one, then
Take them off. Try
a different pattern. Let's see. Maybe I'm gonna do. Hey, what happens if I do this?
He's poor little
He's gonna run in circles. It's gonna run in circles. All right. How about this? Let's go this way.
Ooh, there you go. Make it nice and curvy.
Oh, okay.
All
There
right.
you go.
Okay. Ooh, okay.
All right. Let's
All right.
see.
Mr. Scarecrow.
Do I want to add one more? Maybe I
Ooh.
will.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Okay. You can even make your own maze and see if somebody else can follow your maze. When you have your maze done, you can also add your marker. And you can actually draw. And then take these away.
Ah, very cool.
And now you still have a cool little path to use. And you can use your scarecrow, or you can use your dry erase marker to see if you can follow your path.
Trace the line. There you go.
Trace the line. Okay. So many different things that you can do with this board. You can even make it harder. Let me erase this. Ooh, you could even add your Play-Doh to this.
Oh, yeah, there you
Yeah,
go.
put some kernels down on here. Maybe make a little hay barrel. Hay bale.
Hay
Did
bale.
I said barrel. I meant hay bale.
That's right.
You can take and fold them in half. You can make them smaller so that you could have a little more curve.
Zoom in so you guys
Let's
can
see.
see what she's doing. There we go.
Ooh, maybe I'll do like that. Okay, you can use your scissors if you want it cleaner, but I was just messing around. Okay, and this kind of gives you a little more to work with. And if you do them in half again, it's gonna make a square, isn't it?
That's right.
It is. All right, so many different ways that you can play with this. Like I said, you can get your Play-Doh, you can add some corn or some hay bales, mix it up a little, make a board, see if one of your family members can get through your maze. Make it difficult. Maybe you can use your rectangles and semicircles and your dry erase marker and make it crazy.
There you go.
Make it crazy. There's my little hay bale right there.
That's cute.
Put some little kernels on here. Anyway, hope you enjoy your corn maze. I have a lot of fun in my head. All right, you guys, that's all I have. See you tomorrow. Bye.